Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to make popcorn from scratch real quick. All you need is popcorn kernels. You can buy it in the bulk. Here I have 1/3 of a cup of popcorn kernels. I have half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use olive oil, whatever oil you have, and you need a brown paper bag, one of these brown lunch bag. First thing you're gonna do is add your 1 teaspoon of oil over all over the kernels. Let it soak in. Then you're gonna add this in your bag, the brown paper bag. Then you're gonna add your salt. If you want, you can add sugar too. 1 tablespoon of sugar if you like it like that. Add the salt in all over, and you're gonna fold this bag 2 times to give it a crease. Okay, just like this. You fold it 2 times so it won't open. And then you put it in your microwave. Put it in your microwave. Make sure you put a hand towel or something, paper towel in here, because the bottom of the bag gonna have some oil. And then you set your microwave. If your microwave has the popcorn option, you click that, or if it don't have, you can add 2.5 minutes depending on your microwave, and let it pop. Okay, it's finished. You want to be careful, it's hot. There you have it, homemade fresh popcorn. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to see more videos.